So that was the universal set. So this was the situation, and Fairuz was asking that how can I get C? That is the
Yes, sir.
third question. Third set was a problem. So be careful. Universal set is not like uh, union symbol. It is just U. Okay, so how can I get C? For this answer, you need to check what was the condition given. Condition was given like x belongs to z, and then x square is sorry, less greater than 8. That was the condition. So you find the x, or you find out the number for which x square will be more than 8. So you check every single number from the universal set. This is the universal set. You check every single number in the universal set, which one you can take in C. So can you take minus 4? That is the question. Can you take minus 4? So you can take minus 4. Yes. Why you can take minus 4? Why? Because minus 4 square is actually 16, and this is greater than 8. So it is okay. Minus 4 can be taken. So
Yes, sir.
minus 4 can be taken. It is okay. So can you take minus 3 also? Yes,
Yes,
because
sir.
it's 9, so it is also greater than 8. So you can take minus 3. Yes, correct. Can you take minus 2 also? Minus 2
No, sir.
square
No,
is
sir.
4. So it is not greater than 8. So minus 2 you cannot take. Minus 2 you cannot take. So in the same way you check with everything in the universal set. And then finally you get C. Is that
Okay,
clear now?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's clear.
Now ABC is clear. Now you go to the next part of the question. So ABC was the question number 1. This was the first part of the question. So it is 1. And the second part of the question is to find out some sets with union, intersection, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So tell me, what is the question? One by one. You do one by one. So what is the question? Is it A union B?
So, A
Yes, sir.
union.
Okay.
Union B,
So,
B
okay.
intersection C.
No, do it one by one. Okay. So A union B. So what you do for A union B? It will be A is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. It is your A, and then union, and then you write B also. It is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, and now you write the answer, and the answer will be according to the law of union. So what is the law of union? You take every number, whether it is common or not common, does
Common
not
and
matter.
common.
You will take every number from two sets, so common, uncommon, both. So it will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, okay,
5,
and
7,
then 5, and then 7.
11.
Oh, okay, okay. There is a wrong thing. Oh, okay, yes. Uh, you cannot include 11 and 13 here. You cannot include 11 and
Is it
13 here.
B? part.
Because this is out of the universal set. If there is any number out of the universal set, it is not possible. So you cannot really take 7 also. Universal set is it is up to 6. What did I write? Is it up to 6?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if the universal set is up to 6, then you cannot take 7, you cannot take 11, you cannot take 13. So what about the
Sir,
question?
sir, always universal set will be minus 4 to 6.
No, no, no. Or not always. It will be something specific for a specific situation. I mean, say for this example question, we are taking this is our universal set minus 4 to 6. But in another question, maybe question number 2, we will have different universal set. So universal set is the mother set, and this will include everything in the situation, but it is not same. This is the mother set. You understand my
So
point?
how will we understand what will be
So
the elements of?
there is no clue. There is no clue. You cannot understand this. It will be given. It has
Oh,
to
okay,
be
sir.
given. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Universal set has to be given. Nobody can understand automatically. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Noted.
so in this case, B set will be just 235. That's all. B set will be just 235. Why 235? Explain. Somebody explain. Why 235?
Because universal set are minus 4 to 6.
Okay, so the 7, 11, 13, these are not included in the universal set, so we are not taking. Now come back to the question. In the question I wrote that this will be prime numbers below 15. Okay. So is this wrong? This was written in the question. All prime numbers below 15. So what do you think? Is this okay, or we need to change the question also? Do you understand what I am saying? Is that clear what I am saying? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
In the question for the set B, I have written all the numbers, prime numbers below 15. So what about this? The question has to be corrected now
Sir,
according
maybe
to
7.
the universal set, or the question is okay. What do you think?
So I think question is okay. Because
Someone
sir,
was
you
someone
say,
was saying below 7 can be written.
but sir, you tell me that question number 3 universal. So 3 number question should be we not use up to 6.
No, actually not. The universal set, wherever it is given, it will be correct for the whole question. It will be okay for the whole question. Because universal set cannot be changed. Universal set is the mother set. Okay. So mother will be one mother. Okay. The mother has 5 children, 6 children, or 2 children, does not matter. But the mother is one single mother. So it is all right. And the set B question is also all right. Even if I write below 100, that will be also all right. That will be also all right. Because whatever you write here, this is your condition, and you have to follow the universal set boundary. You have to follow the universal set boundary. So the question is all right. If I write below 15, this is fine, no problem. Below 15 written, but still you cannot take 7, 11, 13. All these are 2, 3, 5. All these are below 15. So it's okay. There is nothing wrong. Is that okay now? Now
Yes,
let
sir.
us, yes, now let us continue with the next part of the question. So next part of the question means you find out the union. So now you understand what should be the union elements: -3, -2, and -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and complete. This is the union. Now you go to the second part of the question, B intersection C, right?
Yes, sir.
So again you write the thing like B is 2, 3, 5, and C intersection, then C will be -4, -3, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be intersection B intersection
3,
C?
5.
Only 3, 5, correct. So you will take only the common elements, only the common elements, and that's it. So what is the next?
So C minus A.
C minus A. Good. So let me write it again. So this is C minus A, C minus A, and it is the exclusion. Okay. So now just write the C elements first, and then uh, A elements second, and first second is very important in this case. Minus, that is exclusion, it will be the extra elements or only the uncommon elements in the left side, not the both, only the uncommon elements in the left side. So you will not
-4 or
write the
6.
common elements, not write the common elements. So -3 is common,
So
and
-4.
-3 is common, and -4 is also common. No.
No, sir.
So
No, sir. Answer.
so what else?
-4 or 6 answer.
Yes. So 3 is common, right? 3 is common, and 4 is common. So 4 is common, and also 5 is common. 5. So uncommon elements in the left side, you will write -4, then 6, right? -4, 6. That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
So these two elements will be in the C minus A. If you find out A minus C, that will be different. That will not be the same answer. It will be different answer. Okay, C minus A and A minus C will be different answer. So is that okay? Any any more question in the number two?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this is number two. Now someone was asking about the exclusion problem. Is this correct? Is this okay now? Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can go to the third question. That is question number 3. And what is the question number 3?
So first one is A prime.
A prime.
Yes, sir. A prime.
Okay. Okay. So let us start with A prime. So A prime, actually it is universal set minus A. So universal set, you already know what is the universal set. So this is -4, then -3, then dot 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 all the elements up to 6, and minus a. A you already know what is a. That is -3 and -2, and serially it is going up to 5. So it's okay. This is your a, and this is the universal set. So what will be a prime? That will be uh, -4
So
and
only -4.
only -4. Why not 6?
Oh, 6.
Also 6. So that is again the a prime. And what is the next question?
So B union C prime.
B union C prime. Okay. So for this part, you need to find B union C because it is not calculated here. This is B intersection C and this is A union B. So you need to find B union C first. You need to find this first and then prime. So let us find this B union C first. So what is B union C? You write B, 2, 3, 5. And union C means -4, -3, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements in B and also in C separately. Now you write the elements in union. So you combine together, you write the smallest one first,
-4,
-4,
-3.
then -3, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, then 6. So this will be the union B union C. Now, if you want to find B union C prime, that will be again in the same way, that will be again exclusion from the universal set, right? So let me just write it down like B union C prime. So you write it here like therefore B union C, then bracket, then prime, it will be universal set minus B union C. Universal set minus B union C. So universal set you already know, and B union C you already know. Now you can find out what will be the elements
Empty
here.
set.
So what will be the elements here?
So answer empty set.
Sir, -4.
Answer empty. No, how can it be empty? -4, how can it be -4? This is B union C. Universal set. This is the universal set.
So all things are common.
How can it be all things are common? Where is -1? Where is 1? Where is 0?
So result will be -2, -1, 0, and 1.
Yes, correct. It is correct. So don't you think -1 is here? Don't you think -2 is also here? I did not write, so you do not understand it is here. Yes or no? Tell me quickly.
Yes, sir.
So what about B union C? Is it containing 0 also?
No, sir.
Then now tell me again. Tell me again. What are the elements in B union C prime? Who said the answer correctly?
So minus 2.
-2 is correct answer. Yes, and
Sir, minus
Minus
1,
1, 0.
0,
-1 is also, yes. 0 is also correct, and
1.
1.
1, and that's it. Is there any more? No more.
No, sir.
So this is the B union C prime answer. This is the B union C prime answer, and this is the last question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is correct, and uh, I can give other kinds of questions, but if you understand what is union, what is intersection, what is exclusion, complement, if you understand this, then you can answer all types of questions with sets. Okay, so tell me if you still have some problems or confusion. Do you still have any confusion, any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So there are some uh, laws, or there are some rules that can be applied also in set, and sometimes also in other areas. You know something about Boolean algebra, okay? So it has some connections also. So let me just not concentrate on the theories. This is not very important. I'm just telling you uh, some examples, like I can give you some questions so that you can, if you have idea previously, then it will be helpful. Say I am writing here uh, A union B, and if I find out B union A, will it be different?
No, sir.
No, that will be same answer. For intersection also. So this type of thing is one rule. Okay, no need to memorize the name of the rules. Just keep it in your brain. That will be fine. So if I just do A union B first, and then this is first within bracket, and then again union C, the result you will get, will it be same like B union C first calculation and then union A? Will it be different or same thing?
It's the same thing, sir.
Same thing.
Same
So
thing.
this, yes. So this is also a rule. Okay. I'm not telling you. I'm saying again. I'm not telling you the name of the rule. Name of the rule is not very important. Just keep it in your mind. And if I write A union B and bracket, and this is intersection C, in that case you can write A intersection C and union in the middle, then B intersection C. So this will be another rule. This will be another rule. So it may be uh, a little difficult, but it's not very difficult. It's very common thing. It is like in Boolean algebra, you consider union. You consider union as or. You consider union as or, and or means plus. Is that okay? Do you use the same thing in Boolean algebra? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
In Boolean logic, in computer fundamental course, there is or. Or means plus. And in set theory, it is union. In set theory, this is intersection. Intersection is Boolean algebra and. And you use the multiplication symbol for this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you think about this now, if you think about this now, A plus B bracket into C, then what you will write? What you will write like this?
So A into C plus
Sir, A
B into
union.
C.
Y union, union is plus.
So AC plus BC.
AC plus BC, isn't it? A plus B then into C, isn't it AC plus BC?
Yes, sir.
So it is AC plus BC, and I have written the same thing. A intersection C. Intersection means and means into, and union means or means plus. So don't you see the same thing now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about complement? What about complement? In the set theory, it is complement. So what is in the Boolean algebra? It is not. Boolean algebra is not. Okay. In the Boolean algebra, you use bar. You use bar for not, right?
Yes, sir.
So you use bar for not. Bar can be used in set theory also, but normally it is complement symbol, that is prime symbol. And in that logic, I can give you one example. I can give you one example here. So it will be something like, say, A union B then whole complement. It will be A complement intersection B complement. This is another rule, and it is not only one. There may be many different. Say I'm giving you another example. Say A bar intersection B then whole complement. So it will be only A then union then B complement. I'm giving you another. Say A union B complement then bracket complement. So it will be A complement then intersection then B, only B. So there may be many others possible. Do you find any connection with this in the Boolean algebra?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Can you find any relation with this? What is that?
So just a symbol change.
Symbol change. So you write in the Boolean algebra, A union means what? Union means plus. Plus, then bracket, B, then bracket, bar. A plus B whole bar. So what you write A plus B whole bar in the Boolean algebra? It is A bar into B bar. Do you understand that, or you do not know? You do not understand?
Yes, sir. We understand.
You understand that? So what about the second? What about the second one? Let me write the second one in the Boolean algebra system. So it will be a bar. Sorry,
A bar plus B whole bar.
a bar not plus. It is not plus.
So into
Into. So a bar into
Into B
b
whole bar.
whole bar. So what you will write in the right side?
sir A into
A
B bar.
plus B
A
bar.
plus
A plus B bar.
A plus b bar. So this is written in the Boolean algebra, and I am writing the same thing. See, a union means plus, and then b bar means, I mean, b complement, the same thing. So what is the next one? The third one. A plus b bar and then whole bar. So what you will write in the answer?
A bar into B.
A bar into b. Now you understand this thing in the Boolean logic also, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
you have
Yes,
got the
sir.
similar thing in the Boolean logic also. So what is the name of this? What is the name of these rules? Who knows the name of this? This is called De Morgan's law.
De Morgan's law.
Yes, this is from a person's name, De Morgan. So De Morgan's law, this is called De Morgan's law. And in the algebra, I mean set theory also, this is also De Morgan's law, the same thing. These are also De Morgan's law. And everyone has name. This has a name, this has a name, this has a name. Okay. And other rules. So I'm not going to tell about the names because name is not important. If you understand, that will be all right. Okay. So this is another important thing I wanted to tell you. And now let me uh, do something different. Okay. I have a different plan. Do you have any question on this?
No, sir.
So let me stop sharing this screen and then let me go back to your classroom. And here actually today I will do something different with you. Let me just check how can you participate, or do you find anything interesting or not. Okay, so go to menti.com and use this code there. I have written some message. You use a different tab or different browser or different window. I mean, do not close this classroom. Oh, you need to come back here. So use another window, another tab, uh, another browser, whatever. You go to the website menti.com, menti.com. Then one screen will come, and if you use the code 2524720, then you will see something what I want actually. So everyone do that. Do you see the screen? Do you see something
Yes, sir.
what I
Yes, sir.
want?
There are three options, sir. Questions,
Okay,
sir.
there is a question you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Everyone try this. Everyone try, and you can answer the question. Okay, you can answer the question. Can you answer the question? Everyone can go to that website. I want everyone to go to that website. I want every one of you will go to the website. Okay, so you are answering now. So I can see four answers. Just let me know if you have problem. If you cannot do this, let me know what is the problem. So if you already have answered the question, you can,
Yes, sir. I
okay,
answered.
now you can,
Sir,
uh,
me as well.
okay, so do not close that. I have another question. Do not close that. Just come back to the classroom, class meet, Google Meet window. Then you can see how the students are answering. What are the answers coming? You can come back to the classroom and you can see on the below side 11. 11 is the number of participants. So 11 people answered and 6 people answered one, 5 people answered another, 1 people answered another, something like that. So students are answering the question and it is coming as a result. Can you see the thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and wait for the
Sir,
second. Yes,
sir,
yes.
it is a new system, but we didn't use it before.
Okay, okay, so no problem. I'm just checking whether you can do this or not. Okay, this is the first I am experimenting with you. So I'm. It is not anything number. It is not a quiz. Okay, related to your set topic, but it is not related to any number. Just try to understand, answer correctly, and I will understand how many people are okay with this, how many students are okay with this or not. I can see 19 persons answered the question, first question. You wait for the second question. I did not give you the second question, so I will give it. Just I'm waiting for more answers. If other people are answering, so let me just wait for 1 2 minutes. What about others? I can see 32 people are now connected. 32 people are now connected. So only 21 answered. So what about others? Do you face any problem? Let me know if you face any problem, then I can help you. It is very simple. No logging necessary, no email ID necessary, nothing. Just go to menti.com and use the code 2524720. Then automatically my presentation slide will come. Yes, it is improving. 23 answers came. 23 answers came. Now let me give you the correct answer. So there are three options actually, and I told you which one is not correct. So there will be one option correct. So you you were scattered. 869. 869 mean what? I mean almost one third scattered with the question. So you read the question, then try to understand. So I'm reading the red one. So what is the red one? Universal set is the mother set that contains others set in a situation. Uh, so this is correct statement. It is correct statement. blue color one, blue option is set is a collection of some distinct numbers or objects. This is also a correct statement. Okay. The pink color one, the third option, pink one is set of natural numbers is bigger than the set of integers. So set of natural numbers will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. But integer will have all natural number plus 0 and also minus number, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So is it correct? This
No, sir.
is
No,
not
Not
sir.
correct.
correct, sir.
So the answer should be the pink one. Answer should be the pink one. That is, set of natural numbers is bigger than the set of integers. This is actually not correct sentence. Okay. So 25 people answered. So let me go to the next question. Is that okay? Everyone is ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go to the next question. Only two question. Only two question today. So this is the next question. In this, there will be multiple correct answer. There may be multiple correct answers, not only one correct answer. So you read the question, try to understand, then check the correct answer. There may be one or more. There may be one or more correct answers. Yes, the answers are coming. 15 answers have come. 17 students answered. 18 students answered. So if you have answered already, then you come back to your Google Meet classroom and you can see
Yes, sir.
the answers are coming. And I will tell you the correct answer. Okay, let me just wait for some more responses. Okay, so 23 students answered this question. And let me tell you the correct answer. So there will be two correct answer. And you are right. I mean, you are almost right. So the blue one and the red one are the correct answer. So blue one means A union B. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is correct answer. And A minus B. A minus B means A exclusion B. A exclusion B is also correct. 1, 3, 5. And other two, pink color and yellow color, these are wrong. So that is the correct answer for second question. So let me close this now. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so fine. Do you like it? Is that a fun?
Sir.
It is an interesting platform, sir.
Yes,